If you want to know how to take your hair from this to this in a few easy steps, stick around. My curly hair routine consists of a few easy steps. Number one being to rinse out all the gunk from your hair, just to get rid of all that dirt and any extra like gel that you have left in your hair, and just to get rid of all that. That's what my hair looked like. And now for the second step is to wash your hair. I'm going to be going in with Cream of Nature shampoo. I recommend shampooing twice because the first shampoo cleans your scalp and then the second one gets rid of any surface dirt. When you guys are shampooing, be sure to get the shampoo into your scalp because it's your scalp that needs cleaning. I really love this shampoo. It really cleans my scalp and gets the job done. I highly recommend it. You guys can find it on Amazon or even in your local Walmart. So now the next step is detangling. So I'm going to go in with my Aussie conditioner and just apply it all throughout my hair. During the detangling process, I didn't really use any combs or anything like that. I just used my fingers to kind of just rake the conditioner through my hair. If you guys want me to make a separate video on how to detangle your hair, let me know in the comments. So this is what my hair looks like after washing out the conditioner. Now I'm going to take my spray bottle and just spray my hair with some water. So for the next step, I'm going to be using Eco Styler Gel to style my hair. I've watched a lot of videos on curly hair routines and a lot of them use the finger coiling method, but today I'm going to be using the shingling method to style my hair. So the shingling method is pretty easy and simple to understand. It just consists of taking a small section of hair and applying your product choice. For me, it's Eco Styler Gel today. Applying your product choice and then smoothing it and then releasing it to get the curl that you want. Okay, so for every section that I do, I like to take it and then add more gel to it and then split them into even smaller sections, like so. If this doesn't really make sense, let me know in the comments and I'll give you a detailed explanation about it. So most of us have a goal with our hair, whether that is to curl train it or even to reach a certain length of hair, but it's going to take a much longer process if you're not keeping up with your curly hair routines. I like to wash and detangle and style my hair once a week. So this is what my hair looks like after finishing the bottom layer. Alright, so I'm going to try and explain this one more time. So I take my section of hair and then smooth the gel onto it and then split it into even smaller sections. This whole process took me about an hour and a half for anyone wondering. Let me know in the comments if you guys have any video suggestions for me. So I've pretty much said all I needed to say. You guys can continue watching the video or you guys can skip to the end to see the final results. And this is what my hair looks like after fully finished. But this is the end of my video. If you guys liked it, make sure to let me know in the comments. Be sure to like the video down below and subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.